when he comes up, be like, what's this? What's that? And that's what you said. And I start by, what's
No, I was laughing because I was standing right here, right? Mm-hmm. And I had burped and Granddad was like,
you can talk because you be burping loud ones too. Oh my
I know.
God.
if you would have seen Granddad's face.
I do.
I wonder where Lisa got that
And
nerve
I'm just
from.
gonna take these breath balls
You should have seen Granddad. Oh my gosh.
No.
I cannot, yo. I'm serious. I
When is Girls
can't.
and Boys Day?
October 14th.
October 14th.
Angels here.
Girls night out and guys night out. Stay tuned, guys, because this one is going to be off the hook. They're going to have the guys chilling together and all the ladies. Stay
Or you're
tuned.
not gonna have a ride.
October 14th. We did it first, if you see it.